Hey guys, how are you? Uh, Today, what have I done today? Well, went to my nan's, had some lunch. Tried to meet up with a friend, but they stood me up, so I was like, you twat. So yeah, that's all I've done really. And came back, watched my sister's boyfriend play GTA 4. Yeah. And then went downstairs, watched Nightmare on Elm Street, and then watched Live at the Apollo. I seriously need to get a proper video camera. But hey, I'm getting one for Christmas. So yeah, you can like see me walk about and talk to my camera. And software update, I do. Sorry, I can't be bothered to update Mozilla Firefox. So yeah, what have you guys done today? And I got a comment question of the day. What would life be without Facebook? Hmm? Just create or post whatever it's called your imagination thingy down below, creative, or what it would actually be like without Facebook. So yeah, and don't click that subscribe button up there. Just, just, just there. Yeah, just the best bit is it's free, so yeah. And plus, I'll subscribe back. Seriously, I will, because I love you.